Hey guys, and welcome to the UBL Garage. I'm here with one of our most popular products. These are the Feniex T3 Surface Mounts. I'm going to run through it and show you how to sync these up. So the first thing is your wiring harness. On your wiring harness, you're going to have a black wire, that's for ground. Your red wire, that's for power, for turning the light on. And your blue wire, which is to change the pattern and also to sync the light. Let me turn these on and show you how they look. So I put power to the red wire, black to ground, and now the light is on. The last wire, the blue wire, if I hold this down for 1 to 2 seconds, that will change the pattern. I can do this as many times as I want till I find a pattern that I like. Now to sync these up, I'll need to use the blue wire to find a common pattern and set one to master and one to slave. And I'll do that by holding down the blue wire for 5 seconds. As you can see, the light stayed off. That means it's slave. If I do it again, the light will turn on and indicate master. So this can be my master. I'll now repeat for my second light. The light stayed off, so that's slave. The neat thing about the T3s is that once you set a master or slave, it actually resets to a default flash pattern. So these are already set now to the same flash pattern. Now watch how as soon as I connect the blue wires, the lights immediately start alternating. Now that my lights are in sync, I can use the blue wire, tap at the ground for 1 to 2 seconds, and change the flash patterns on both of them at the same time. Now say I don't want them to alternate. I would simply set them both to master or both to slave. So I'll change one of them. I need to change the flash pattern to get it back to the same one as the white. And notice now the lights flash simultaneously rather than alternating. If I had 4 modules or 6 or 8 or more than 2, I would simply select half to be master, half to slave, or mix and match depending upon how you wanted to do it and how you wanted to alternate. You can really do it however you want. So that's the basics of syncing up your T3s. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.